Howdy people, I'm Kirsten Nuts and you're watching Platypod TV, where innovation never sleeps. In today's video, I'll take you through a couple of very basic lighting principles when it comes to shooting glass. And for that, we'll need a couple of things. Our main subject for today, a clear white glass bottle. This one is quite ornate and I want to make sure we can see the design on it. A platypod with a traveler ball head for perfect positioning on a tabletop, one large softbox, a black backdrop, a few black foam boards like this one, and a couple of white foam boards as well. These simple tools are all you need to create two completely different looks. For our first setup, we're going to create a bright, clean background with a dark outline. Place a large softbox directly behind the bottle to create a pure white background. Now, because the bottle is clear, it'll disappear without edge definition. That's where negative fill comes in. I'm adding two black foam boards on the sides, slightly forward, so the bottle reflects them as dark edges. This creates a beautiful shape outline. Then make sure to adjust the distance to control how bold the edges appear. In order to get more of an outline on the shoulders of the bottle, I'll add another piece of black foam board on top. Now let's flip the script. For a sleek high contrast look, I'm using a black backdrop. The problem now is the bottle blends into the background, so we'll add two white foam boards on the sides. This creates bright white edge highlights that define the bottle's shape beautifully. Think premium product shots for ads. Now, I'm really happy with the way these shots came out. It didn't really take a lot of time at all. And, within just a few minutes, you can create some really cool bottle shots. So there you have it, folks. Two professional ways to photograph a clear bottle using a few simple tools for some great shots. Remember, each bottle has a unique shape, so experiment with the exact position of your foam boards, but you should be getting pretty good results relatively easily. If you want to learn more about photography, check out my podcast, the Camera Shake Podcast, where I speak to the leading photographers of our time about how they do what they do. And if you haven't tuned into the Camera Shake Podcast yet, what are you doing? Find it on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and wherever awesome podcasts live. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. As always, take a snapshot of your setup or share your final shots on Instagram. If you've been experimenting with Platypod gear or try out the lighting setups we've discussed today, I want to see your creations. Make sure you tag Platypod on Instagram and use the hashtag #PostMyPlatypod. And if you like this video, we have a button specifically for you right here. Join the community over on Facebook to see what other Platypod users are up to, and ring the bell so you don't miss our regular videos. That, my friends, is all for today. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.